ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಗಣೇಶಾಯ ನಮಃ. ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ನಾರಾಯಣೀಯಂ. ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಕೃಷ್ಣಾಯ ಪರಬ್ರಹ್ಮಣೇ ನಮಃ. ದಶಕಂ 85 ಶ್ಲೋಕ 10. ತತಃ ಸುಮಹಿತೆ ತ್ವಯಾ ಕ್ರತುವರೆ ನಿರೂಢೆ ಜನೋ ಯಯೌ ಜಯತಿ ಧರ್ಮಜೋ ಜಯತಿ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಇತ್ಯಾಲಪನ್ ಖಲಃ ಸತು ಸುಯೋಧನೋ ದುತಮಾನಾಃ ಸಪತ್ನಶ್ರಿಯಾ ಮಯಾರ್ಪಿತಸಭಾಮುಖೇ ಸ್ಥಲಜಲಭ್ರಮಾತ್ ಅಬ್ರಮೀತ್. ವರ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ವರ್ಡ್ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್. ತತಃ then, ಸುಮಹಿತೆ ಕ್ರತುವರೆ when the great sacrifice, ತ್ವಯಾ ನಿರೂಢೆ was got completed by thee, ಜನಃ the people, ಧರ್ಮಜಃ ಜಯತಿ victory to ಧರ್ಮಪುತ್ರ, ಕೃಷ್ಣಃ ಜಯತಿ victory to Krishna, ಇತಿ ಆಲಪನ್ proclaiming thus, ಯಯೌ returned, ಖಲಃ ಸಹ, ಸುಯೋಧನಃ to that wicked Duryodhana, however, sapatna shriya at the prosperity of his enemies, sapatnah enemy, dutamanaha duta shaken by jealousy, his mind full of jealousy, mayarpita sabhamukhe in front of the assembly hall, built by Maya, the architect of the Asuras, sthala jala brahmat, mistaking the floor for water and vice versa, abramit was perplexed. Full meaning. When the great sacrifice was got completed by thee, the people left, proclaiming victory to Dharmaputra, and to thee, the wicked Duryodhana, who was very jealous of the prosperity of his enemies, the Pandavas, was perplexed when he mistook the floor for water and water for the floor in front of the assembly hall built for the Pandavas by Maya, the architect of the Asuras. Om Tat Sat.